traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this is very clearly going to end up going down for an ABC of 4 before it actually goes up and make a wave 5 to complete this very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it totally looks like a wave A, it looks like a wave B, it looks like at some point we're going to go down and make a wave C. Now keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, so this pattern is going to take months and months to play out. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, or the daily time frame that is. On the daily time frame, we definitely did get a breakdown. So there's two options. Option number one is this is an ABC correction, and this is going to make an ABC down like this and then continue up. Option number two is that this really is the end of a wave B, and this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, and it just makes nice impulsive movements to the downside, making lower lows, lower highs, starting a brand new downtrend. Luckily, there's actually a pretty big difference between a 1, 2, 3 and an ABC, so as this plays out, we should definitely be able to tell the difference. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it looks like I said, either an A or 1. Definitely looks like 3 waves up, either wave B or wave 2. I'm hoping that we're in a wave 3, but it could be a wave C. Either way, I think that it is going to go down. If it is a wave C, I would expect it to go down to this area and then turn back up. If it's a wave 3, then I would expect it to just keep on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, never giving us a break of structure, never telling us that we have a turn back to the upside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we looks like to me we might have the end of a crescent already. I'm kind of hoping that this is it. It kind of looks like a little bit of a running pattern right here, like a running crescent. First of all, we have a nice 5 wave downtrend over here. Hopefully this is a wave 1. Hopefully this is like a running ABC of 2, and hopefully we're in a wave 3 right now. Now it could be a wave 3 of wave C like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, or it could be a wave 3 of wave 3. And like I said, we should be able to tell the difference if we pay attention to price, pay attention to structure, and especially pay attention to our Fibonacci extension levels. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.